Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make dream house for paper dolls. Let's see what's inside. The house has a living room where the dolls can drink tea, a kitchen where dolls can cook food and eat, a bedroom with a dressing room and a large bathroom. You can arrange the object and furniture as you like, so this is a great gift for both children and adults who love crafting. It is very easy to make, and now I will show you everything in more detail. You will need a house template. You can find the link in the description of this video. Also, you will need double-sided tape to attach the parts, glue and scissors. In the template you will find two pages with dolls, one page with moving dolls and the other one with standard paper dolls. For example, if you don't have mini brats, you can always choose which doll you want to print. For the moving dolls you will need mini brats. The size which I use you can see on the screen. I'll show you how to make holes with the brats using a handy tool, but you can also use a needle if that's easier for you. To laminate pages you can use either transparent tape or lamination film, both work great. You can choose matte or glossy lamination film, it won't affect the result, so use iron or laminating machine if you have one. I will not laminate this page and this detail because I need them to bend the parts. Once you have everything ready, it's time to put on some calming music or a good movie and start cutting out the details. Glue walls of living room on a first stripe which not laminated. To attach the parts, take double-sided tape, cut a piece and stick it to the part. Then attach the furniture parts with double-sided tape. You can do it the same way as I did or however you want. Now let's assemble the kitchen. Using a stationary knife, make cuts. Then using double-sided tape, attach the doors. Attach all the necessary parts with double-sided tape. Assemble the walls in the bedroom in the same way. There are 3 hangers in the dressing room where you can hang dolls' clothes. Now let's assemble the bathroom. Make a cut with a stationary knife for the toilet lid and glue it with double-sided tape. First, glue the toothbrush and toothpaste parts together. Then attach all the other items and cosmetics. Let's assemble our house. Fold the living room in half. Glue the left side of the kitchen on top, then fold and glue the bedroom part, fold again and glue the bathroom. Glue the cover and binding part, make sure the pattern matches. Glue the cover to the resulting book with rooms and then glue the back side of the cover. The dream house is ready. Now let's make the dolls. Start by gluing the arm pieces together. Make holes in the shoulders and elbows where are the marks shown. Use mini brats to fasten the joints, trimming the ends for safety. Repeat for the other arm. Fasten the back part of the body and arms at the shoulders in the same way. Don't forget to trim the ends of the mini brats. Once the arms are done, glue the body and arms together. Make holes in hips and attach the upper leg pieces to the body. Glue the hip pieces to the doll. Make holes in the doll's knees where are the marks shown. Secure the knees with mini brats. Finally, glue the remaining pieces and our doll is ready. Now let's dress Barbie in a beautiful outfit. While we're making Ken, Barbie can go for a walk. He and Barbie can meet and settle in a new house. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!